The industry visit was mainly about understanding how industry uses technologies like PI and AI in real business operation. In there, we attend session, activity, and discussion that give us a real industry exposure.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the next episode of ITM Podcast. I'm your host Ayaz and this is my co-host Priyanshi. And today we have with us these brilliant students who has visited the Celonis.
Glad to know you guys. Shall we start with your industrial visit experience then?
I would like to ask you, what was your company experience?
My complete company experience was very informative and inspiring as we learned about the new technologies like AI, process mining and the business solving problems. As in the industry we get the real world exposure, real corporate world exposure and get the knowledge about the industries, how industries work, and the environment inspired me a lot.
Okay.
Oh, that's great. How was your industry visit about? What was your industry visit about?
The industry visit was mainly about understanding how industry uses technologies like PI and AI in real business operation. In there, we attend session, activity, and discussion that give us a real industry exposure.
Okay. And what tasks did you perform and what information did you receive?
The information will be received to HR and intern student and hiring partner who they focus on both technical and soft skills. Technical skills include like basic AI, logic thinking, and the soft skills include communications, problem solving skills, teamwork. That's it.
Was the visit fulfilling to you and why, guys?
Yes, absolutely. The visit fulfilled my expectation as we get the practical knowledge how company work and beyond the classroom learning. As we in the classroom we learn about the only about the technologies, but in the corporate culture we see how company use technologies like AI and PI and how they solve the business problems.
Great.
And what was your experience with alumni?
Let me tell about our alumni who was working in Celonis. They are very supportive and friendly in nature. They guide us and tell about their career guidance and placement preparation. And they also tell how we can improve our technical and communication for future opportunities.
What were the key skills which were required actually?
की स्किल्स हम वहाँ बैठे हुए थे तो HR एंड स्टूडेंट इंटर्न एंड हायरिंग पार्टनर वो बैठे हुए थे तो उनके के पर्पज से दिस फोकस ऑन बोथ टेक्निकल एंड सॉफ्ट स्किल्स. टेक्निकल स्किल्स लाइक basic AI and logic thinking, data analysis, and these remember I guess communication, soft skills including communications, teamwork, and problem solving. That's it.
Thanks.
And what is the message you would like to give your juniors?
To junior, as I told them that you should participate in the industrial visit as you get the knowledge about the real corporate culture, how the work is done. You in the classroom, in the college, you only learn about the technologies, but in the industrial visit, you get the exposure of corporate culture and what the skills you get developed to get the hire in the company.
What was the most exciting part about this visit?
The most exciting part of the visit is detective game, because in by this activity we solve real business problems, and by these activities we get the knowledge about process mining, supply chain, academics, and they also guide us to how to build our resume.
Oh, that was a great experience you guys had there. Glad to know you guys had an amazing visit.
I want to add one thing also that I am very thankful to the Institute of Technology and Management Gwalior to giving me opportunity to be reached there. As I am also thankful to the Sri Lekha ma'am from Celonis who came to the campus and trained us about the Celonis, and Vishwajit Majumdar sir from TAPCEL as they guide us from there and give the opportunity to be reached there.
As a junior, I found this very fascinating. I would also like to visit industries in future.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.